the seeds out of your cantaloupe and cut it up into chunks. This recipe calls for 4 cups of chunks of cantaloupe. It's usually about half of one. So you got another half left over to eat. Or make a double batch. It's your life. I'm just drinking in it. Six days later, and we're going to take 30 mint leaves, chop them in half, and throw them into a clean glass jar. Now we're going to take our melon berry vodka and strain that through a fine strainer into the jar with mint. We do this as a last step because infusing herbs for long periods of time gives it just more of a muddy flavor. We want that fresh, bright flavor of the mint in our infusion. Same goes for basil, cilantro, etc. Seal this up and infuse it for 24 hours. Oh yeah,